Good morning everyone. Welcome to Morning Buzz dated 29th December 2021. Let's start with the market outlook. US markets witnessed a mixed bag. However, futures are trading in positive, higher by up to 0.25%. Asian markets have started on a weak note with SGX Nifty is indicating slightly negative opening. On domestic front, FIIs have turned into net buyers after almost 1 month as sellers in cash. Nifty extended gains for second consecutive day and closed above 17,200, which acts as an immediate support. In the last few days, we have seen every dip is being bought into by investors, which clearly shows buying interest at lower levels. Overall, we may see some cool off today after the recent rally. We are suggesting actionables for today by Sun Pharma, Metropolis and Balram Chini. In global markets, Dow Jones closed at 95 points positive and SGX Nifty is trading at 60 points negative. Institution-wise, FIIs were net buyers worth Rs 207 crores and DIIs were also net buyers worth Rs 567 crores. In advances and declines, advances are 2590 and declines are 805. In currency markets, dollar closed at 74.65 and dollar index closed at 96.23. In commodities market, gold closed at $1806 per ounce and crude closed at $78.75 per barrel. In bonds, 10-year US bond rate is 1.47% and 10-year Indian bond rate is 6.48%. In derivatives, PCR is 1 and VIX closed at 16.47. Updates for today: DV slab. Government has approved Merck's oral drug molnupiravir for restricted use for high-risk COVID-19 patients. Total 13 companies like Sun Pharma, Oro Pharma, Dr. Reddy and Natco Pharma to manufacture and market in India. DV Lab is the authorized API supplier for the drug to Merck's and VL's partners in India. Securities in ban: Idea, Indiabulls Housing Finance and RBL Bank. In derivatives view, VIX closed at 16.47. Immediate max put open interest is at 17,000, then 17,200. Max call open interest is at 17,500, then 17,300. Option data suggests a trading range between 17,000 to 17,500. Thank you and have a great trading session everyone.